All right, I'm going to show you a simple method for figuring out how to get exact spacing or equal spacing on a shelving unit, and this hack applies to all sorts of different applications in carpentry where you want each space to be equal. And it's a really simple process. It requires 2 measurements and some really simple math. Stay tuned. I think you'll benefit from this video. All right, so here are the sides to my bookcase, and this is a cabinet design where the sides are the full height of the cabinet. And so in other words, the top and bottom and the shelves go in between the 2 sides. So we're going to take a look here, and my tape measure shows 896 millimeters is the length of my sides. Now I'm going to go over here to my shelving. I've got a top and a bottom with 2 mid shelves, and I've got them stacked together, and the thickness of those 4 pieces is approximately 75 millimeters. Now I'll show you the next step. So we're simply going to record the length of the sides, 896, and the 4 shelves, which is 76, and we're left with 820. So now we're going to take our 820. We divide that by 3, and we'll get 273. I think it's 0.3 or something. So we'll just call it 273. And that will be the spacing. So in other words, there'll be 3 spaces on my bookcase between the 4 shelves. And to help us in assembly, we're going to cut 2 chunks of spare plywood to 273 millimeters and then use those as spacers for our construction. All right, so there's that bookcase using this little spacer and the really simple process I used to get an even space between each shelf. Now you can use this for all sorts of applications in carpentry, whether it be panels on some kind of door or what have you. If you want equal spaces, that's the way to do it. All right, now so just have to put the back on this little bookcase and it'll be ready to install.